Hello everyone, and welcome to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into one of the best smart thermostats on the market, the Wyze Programmable Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat. This device promises to revolutionize how you manage your home's temperature with its smart features and ease of use. The Wyze Programmable Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat is designed to simplify your life. It offers easy installation with step-by-step guidance through the Wyze app, making it accessible for everyone, even those without a C-wire. Compatible with 90% of home heating and cooling systems, this thermostat includes a C-wire adapter for seamless integration. One of its standout features is remote control via the Wyze app, allowing you to adjust your home's temperature from anywhere. This is not just about convenience, it's about saving energy and ensuring your home is comfortable when you arrive. The thermostat works seamlessly with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling hands-free control with simple voice commands. Guided installation takes less than 30 minutes, ensuring you're up and running quickly. Adjust settings from anywhere using the Wyze app, ensuring comfort and energy efficiency. Integrate with Alexa or Google Assistant for effortless control with your voice. Create personalized schedules to optimize energy use based on your daily routines. The Wyze app provides actionable insights based on usage to help reduce energy waste. Automatically adjusts settings based on motion detection and phone location to further conserve energy. Compared to other smart thermostats in its category, the Wyze Programmable Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat stands out for its affordability without compromising on functionality. It competes well with higher-priced models from other brands, offering similar or even more advanced features at a fraction of the cost. To sum up, the Wyze Programmable Smart Wi-Fi Thermostat is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's temperature control. With its smart features, easy installation, and compatibility with voice assistants, it's clear why this thermostat is a top pick among smart home enthusiasts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. See you next time on Product Critique.